Good morning, students. This is Professor Kiran Poddar, Angadi Institute of Technology and Management, Belagavi. In this session, we are going to discuss an example of obtaining the Laplace transformation of triple-valued function, converting this function into unit step function. So, express the function into unit step function first, then apply its Laplace transformation. Very first, I want to know where exactly this stands. If you see, it is 0 to 1. Between 0 to 1, the functional value will be 1. From 1 to 2, the functional value will be t. Then more than 2. More than 2 means wherever it is, it will be t square. That will become fixed one. That is t square. Therefore, what to do? We have a property. It says if f of t is equal to triple valued f1 of t, f2 of t, f3 of t is equal to between the range, that is 0 less than or equal to t less than or equal to a, and a is less than or equal to t is less than or equal to b, and t is greater than or equal to b. Then we have a result which says f of t is equal to first function plus second function minus first function into u of t minus a plus third function minus second function into u of t minus b. I'll be calling it as, okay, first apply Laplace, then we'll call it as. But here a is equal to 1 and b is equal to 2. Fine. So apply Laplace on both sides, then it will be equal to Laplace transformation of f of t is equal to Laplace transformation of f of t plus Laplace transformation of f2 minus 2. Fine. Better we will substitute the values directly. What is first function? That is 1. Then what is second function? That is a t. T minus first function into unit step, that is t minus 1, because a is equal to 1, plus second is Laplace transformation of third function t square minus second function t into u of t minus 2. I'll be calling it as equation number 2. Fine. Here there are 3 sections. First, we need to find out the Laplace transformation of 1, which is known, that is 1 by s. Fine, 1 by s. Then second is finding the Laplace transformation of t minus 1 into u of t minus 1. Okay. Third, finding the Laplace transformation of t square minus t into u of t minus 2. There are 3 sections. One is very simple, it is already obtained. Second part, we can see in this case what to do. We will be taking f of t minus a, that is nothing but 1, which is nothing but the bracket, that is t minus 1. Fine. So to make it f of t, we need to replace t by t plus 1. Fine. Then it becomes f of t is equal to t plus 1 minus 1, which is equal to t. Means f of t is equal to t now. F of t is equal to t. Therefore, apply Laplace on both sides. Then it becomes Laplace transformation of f of t is equal to Laplace transformation of t, which is nothing but 1 divided by s square, which is nothing but f bar of s. Fine. Therefore, we have a property which says Laplace transformation of f of t minus a into u of t minus a is equal to e raised to minus as into f bar of s. Fine. F bar of s. As per this result becomes Laplace transformation of t minus 1 into u of t minus 1 is equal to e raised to, here a is equal to what? a is equal to 1. So it is e raised to minus s into f bar of s, that is 1 by s square. Fine. 1 by s square. Therefore, the result is ready, which is nothing but e raised to minus s by s square. Okay. This is the required result. Similarly, we will be taking this result. Here, let us consider this as g of t minus 2. What is g of t minus 2? G of t minus 2 is equal to t square minus t. Therefore, to make it g of t will be replaced by, you can see, to make it t, it is t minus 2. So we have to replace t by t plus 2. Therefore, it becomes g of t is equal to t plus 2 the whole square plus t plus 2. Therefore, g of t is equal to expansion of this, that is t square plus 4 plus 4t plus t plus 2. Therefore, g of t is equal to, simplification of this, if you take, it becomes t square, 4t plus t will be 3t, then 4 plus 4 plus this 2, in between these, there is minus, then it becomes 3t, then this is 2, 4 minus 2, this is minus, this is minus. Fine. Therefore again we have a property, Laplace transformation of f of t minus a into u of t minus a is equal to e raised to minus as into, I'll be taking g bar of s. Fine. G bar of s. What is g bar of s? Laplace transformation of g of t is equal to, if you apply Laplace transformation of this, what we will be getting? Here we will be getting t square Laplace transformation is 2 factorial divided by s cube. Fine. Plus 3 into Laplace transformation of this is 3 divided by s square plus this is 2 by s. This is f bar of s. Therefore, Laplace transformation of t minus 2 into u of t minus 2 is equal to e raised to, here b is equal to 2. So e raised to minus 2s into 2 by s cube plus 3 by s square plus 2 by s. This is equation number 3. So substitute all these three results in equation number 2. Therefore, equation number 2 becomes Laplace transformation of f of t is equal to Laplace transformation of 1. Laplace transformation of 1 is 1 by s. 1 by s plus Laplace transformation of this bracket is equal to e raised to minus s into 1 divided by s square plus Laplace transformation of third bracket is nothing but e raised to minus 2s into 2 divided by s cube plus 3 divided by s square plus 2 divided by s. Therefore, finally we can say the Laplace transformation of f of t is equal to 1 divided by s plus e raised to minus s by s square plus e raised to minus 2s into 2 by s cube plus 3 by s square plus 2 by s. So this is the solution for given example, where we converted that example